In this video, drawing orthographic projection, and in our last video we drew a freehand sketch of it, which is this, to explain how these three views are being joined together to give us the isometric block. So if you haven't watched the video, do well to watch these two videos that explain in detail how to draw a freehand sketch in case you're given this question or you come across this topic. So without wasting much of our time, we'll have to go straight to the drawing. But now if you take note, no dimensions were given because we are asked to make a freehand sketch of the isometric view of the block. So since no dimensions were given, we'll now have to impute our own dimensions. We'll have to create our own dimensions using your mind eyes. That's good. So using our freehand sketch, the block, we can just take here as 4 centimeter. We can just use here as 4 centimeter. And looking at the views, is not that long, it's looking like 4 cm, so we can just use 4 cm. Then for this part here, we can use 1 cm for this part. Then for this other part, we can use 3, so making here a total of 4 too. And if you look at the views, it's looking equilateral and equilateral square, so it's looking like each of the parts are 4 cm. So here it will be 4 too. Then let's take the front elevation first. Then for the height, let's take here as 2 cm from what we're given. Here's 2 cm. Then for this other part, is slanted, alright. So this is the top of here. So from here to here, we also take 2 cm. That's the height too. That's from this part to the top. It's also 2 centimeter. Same thing here. Then here will be, okay, we'll come to the other way. Then let's go to the side. The side we're having here as 2 cm as the height. Then we're having here as 1 cm. That's this part. Here is 2, here is 1. Then this other part, the top, the last part will be 1 cm. Then for the top here, okay, let's take this other part here. Here will be, okay, there's no demarcation there, so we have to erase this. So it was not given in the top. Here it was not given, so we have to erase this out. So we're just having this only. Good. So for this, looking downwards, that from the top, the plan, from this part we're having 1.5 cm here. Looking at this, if here is 4 cm, then here is looking wider than here because here is 1 cm. So if here is 1 cm, these two parts will be what to give us 4 cm. It's giving us 3 cm. That's the total. So here will be divided by 2, 1.5, 1.5. So this width here is 1.5. Then this one is wider, but I just made it small because it's a freehand sketch. So here it is 1.5. This width here. Good. So we've gotten this width, and here is 1 cm. Good. So we are done with here. Here is 4. Then this other part, good. Here, these two parts. So take for here. Here will be 2 cm, and here will also be 2 cm to make it equal. So we are done with these sides. 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4 in total. Then for this other side, 4. Then the height is 2 cm. The height here is 2 cm. Good. Then the top we've done 1.5. This width 1.5 and 1 cm. Then here is giving us this part will be 1 cm in 0.5 cm. So looking at this, is looking smaller. So here it should be 0.5. It's looking smaller than the 1 cm of this. So let's take 0.5 for here. So if here is 0.5, so here will be 3.5 since 4 is the width. So here is 3.5. That's here. And here is 0.5. So we are done with giving the dimensions. So that's how technical drawing is. It's that easy. You just first study your views if you're not giving any dimension. So giving the views is looking equal. That's why I was able to get the dimensions for each of the sides. Using the dimensions, let's draw the orthographic projection of the three views shown. So let's watch.